twice. What? Yes. KCC31 got an alert, but I missed it.
Change your channel to, what am I on? I'm on KWO35.
The first
I'm on
evacuation begins.
KWO35.
Flooding occurs on West View Road and the Lower Riverview community areas
Ignore the
of Wayne.
cracks.
At 18.5 feet,
You're
Route
recording a video?
23,
I'm not
north and
major
south,
flood warning.
is
Yeah, you
impassable
can
and
read my
closed.
video.
At 19.0 feet, widespread
Yeah, they
flooding
got
occurs in
me.
low-lying areas of Wayne. The
I'm on
climate
EAS.
is hot and lick. At 20.0
Bro,
feet,
another
the
river flood
suspect
warning.
plains begins to flood.
Yeah.
Additional details at 2:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 9.6 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to
It's gonna be a double header, honestly.
to a crest of 19.5 feet early Thursday morning.
Actually,
Yes.
Will then fall below flood stage Friday morning.
you know
Flood
what?
stage is 16.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 19.6 feet on April 10th, 1980.
It's gonna be a double header. I don't know.
Wait.
Is it gonna be a double header? Oh, it's not.